We'll be reviewing the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 backpacking camping stove system. Everything you see is included except the gas. You can see Fire Maple. Comes with a little neoprene insulation, 2 handles so you can hold it. Comes with a lid, plastic. Comes with a little bowl. Put your soups, whatnot in. Plastic. Does not come with the gas, but that is a gas container that, as you see, will fit inside. Comes with spare O-rings for your gas bottles. As you hook those up and you put on the bottom of the burner, goes right there, right inside that hole. Okay. 2 spare O-rings, and then there's your burner, which it does have the click to start. All right, we're gonna show you how this thing screws together. Your stove sits pretty much right on top and turns, so now it doesn't fall off. As you can see, it'll sit on the bed of the truck. And your gas bottle will screw right on. You can get those gas bottles at Amazon as well. All right, zoom you in and we'll get it catching the fire. All right, you simply turn the gas on here. You can hear it going. You come over here and you click the clicker. And we have contact. I'm going to turn this off, put some water in it, and we'll see how long it takes to boil. All right, we're full of water now. Get it turned back on. And we'll just turn that thing all the way up. Stay tuned. This is me drilling right into it. This fan right here. The fan changing, but not having an issue. Water's still in it. It's still hot. With this neoprene wrap around it, it's not terrible hot to touch. You don't really want to touch the metal. It is very hot, but you need to carry this over for your coffee. Do that pretty easy. That is the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1. You can see if you got a hanging device, you put your hanging device in there. Take your gas cylinder off, take all that off. First goes the burner back in. Next will go the gas cylinder. Then you got your bowl, lid. You put it in a bag. Of course, you'll make sure it's not hot before you stick it back in the bag. Or you'll have a metal bag.